the Bible tells us that the fields are white with harvest. What does that mean? Well, you know, it's like planting a garden. You have to till the ground up first. What that does is it brings in the nutrients that you need to be able to plant seeds, because if you just those seeds out on hard ground, they're not going to grow, or they're not going to last. They're not going to produce fruit. So as Christians here on Clapper, we believe in planting seeds, planting gardens, each in our own way. And so we have to till the ground up, make videos, do lives, do radios. And then once we have other Christians that come together who are all really in the same garden, just different lives, different circumstances. And as we plant those seeds, we're praying over people. We're not just putting a seed in the ground. We're going to pray for that seed to grow. And then God sends the rain. That's what it's like being a Christian here on Clapper. We're growing a garden. It's a healing garden. It's a garden where people can come to be loved on, to be respected, and to let them know that they really do matter. And as one person gets healed, they begin planting their own garden, and then they produce fruit. That's what it's like being a Christian. We're planting gardens, we're planting seeds, and then God waters them. And because Jesus can heal the hurting through Christians, we can be a part of that. So plant your garden today.